Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brief demo on how to get visa help within the Citizen Remote platform. I'm Tim, I'm the co-founder of Citizen Remote, and let's go ahead and just dive into what exactly is visa help within Citizen Remote. So the first thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you're signed up for the app. This might say sign up or log in. If you haven't done so, go ahead and knock that out, and then once you do, you'll get launched into the app. If you've already signed up, then go ahead and open the app, and you'll get launched into the Explore section. Within the Explore section, if you're not seeing matches, it's because you haven't taken the quiz, so you might want to go ahead and knock that out. Otherwise, to get visa help, you'll have to take the quiz anyways. Let's just go ahead and say you want to go and move to Spain. You'll go ahead and get launched into the Spain country, where you'll see just a little bit of information about it, who's there right now, maybe cities that you want to check out. But at the top, no matter where you're at and navigating within the country, you'll see this Get Visa Help button. And so you can see that that is where you'll go ahead and get visa help. If you've taken the quiz, you'll see information here. I'm not Roger Goodell, but that's the NFL commissioner, if anyone didn't know. Anyways, so from there, you'll go ahead and click book a consultation, and from there you can schedule a consultation directly with our Spain immigration team. If you took the quiz, it'll end you at a place where you can book a consultation. That'll be with one of our team. If you want specific country assistance and you know where you're moving, go ahead and navigate into the country itself through Explore and book a consultation directly with our team, because they'll give you more tailored advice and they'll be able to provide more information for a specific country. If you want to go and you're not sure where you want to go, then go ahead and book on with the team. Otherwise, go ahead and navigate back to here and book a consultation directly with a team member in that country. The other way you can go is launching the Visa Wizard. You go ahead and launch in. If you don't have a premium, which I don't for this account, then you'll see that there are just a few options. If you upgrade, you'll see our full list of the documentation. You can book a consultation here, which is the same pop-up that you would have gotten on the other area. And then you can also just hire an advisor. So if you know you're eligible and you want to just go ahead and get started with the process, you can hire an advisor, and it'll allow you to book a consultation as well with them for free, and then also be able to start chatting with them, submitting documentation, etc. The only other area to get visa help besides the Explore section, which is here, again, click Visa Help, which is right here, then you will go into the Visa Wizard, and you'll kind of navigate the same way. So if you didn't see, you'll go ahead and open a new Visa Wizard, and then it'll be kind of that same flow here. So you'll go into the country. Let's say we're going to Greece this time, and then you'll need help deciding, book a consultation with a lawyer. This will pop up the Greece visa consultation. So this is tailored advice for Greece relocation. And then, if you want to go ahead and just open the Visa Wizard, again, it'll launch you into that same flow. So there's two ways to do it, but again, they all point to the same thing. Go ahead and book a visa consultation here, or open the wizard. If at any point in the process you're confused and you don't know what's going on, and this video is not helpful, I'm sorry, but you can always come down here into this bottom right corner and reach out and directly chat with us. I'll probably be the one to respond to you, but no matter where you're at, that will always be there. So you'll always see this button no matter where you're at within the app. So you can feel free to reach out anytime. And hopefully this was helpful for you all, and you are one step closer to getting the visa help you're looking for.